Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 KTM 450 SXF. Meet the all-new 2025 KTM 450 SXF, a motocross machine built to dominate the track. With cutting-edge technology, race-ready upgrades, and aggressive performance, this bike is designed for riders who want nothing less than victory, engine and performance. At its heart, the 450 SXF carries a 449.9 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, paired with a 5-speed gearbox and advanced Keihin fuel injection. The throttle response is razor-sharp, ensuring explosive acceleration and control at any moment. Suspension and handling. KTM has equipped this model with WP ZAC suspension, a $48 million fork up front and a rear monoshock with linkage. With over 300 millimeters of travel, this setup is engineered to handle jumps, whoops, and rough terrain with ease. Build and dimensions. The bike weighs just 103.9 kilos without fuel, giving it an incredible power-to-weight ratio. Add to that a seat height of 958 millimeters, ground clearance of 343 millimeters, and a 7.2-liter fuel tank, and you've got the perfect balance between agility and endurance. Factory Edition highlights. The Factory Edition takes it even further with a connectivity unit for smart tuning, machined triple clamps, a lightweight gold chain, did wheels, Dunlop Geo Max tires, and race-inspired graphics. It's the closest you can get to a factory race bike straight from a showroom. Outro. The 2025 KTM 450 SXF isn't just a motocross bike, it's a statement of power, precision, and championship DNA. Ready to unleash the beast? This is KTM at its best. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.